to Lisa that I really should get this because I like at this point in the Temp-tations game, I've got all the basics and I love collecting these specialty ones. So this is a quiche pan that comes with a lidded top that's also fluted or scalloped, however you want to describe it. Yeah. They're both absolutely beautiful pieces. And we have also the seasonal colors, unbelievably, still available. So the specialty piece at a $22 price tag today, everybody. It's also a 1.5 quart baker, so it's the right size for two, I think.
Yeah, we have to call it something, okay?
Yeah.
So we call it a quiche pan, but it's so much more. Why it's great for quiches, for pies, for any deep dish tarts, is we start with the scalloping on the outside. I'm showing you the floral lace firework with the engraving of the
I love that.
Is. Firework pattern on the outside, that gorgeous hand painting on the inside, and you mentioned a lidded. So if you're new to Temp-tations, we created lidded so that it lids the top of your dish. It can be the trivet for a bottom. It's a serving piece, it's a cutting board, but when I put it on top, I can bake on the bottom and the top at the same time. We also have included the third piece, which is going to be that snap-on storage cover. So it fits, I love this because it's going to fit the deep dish lidded, and it also fits that 1.5 quart quiche pan.
Nice.
It's awesome.
How many were already ordered earlier? 500 of these when you were on earlier flew out the door. So let's take a look at what choices remain.
Sure.
So we were looking at the firework right there.
That's the floral lace.
Okay.
And these are seasonal. You're only going to see this at this time of the year. They won't be back until 2020.
Okay, fantastic.
Then we also have the floral lace summer. So if you're like me and you too, and you love the beach and the shells and the seashore.
So it has the seashells on it and little starfishes, and it's really, really cute.
Isn't that adorable? Underneath there is going to be light blue. That's like that robin's egg Tiffany blue. Then we have the beautiful eggplant. I love it because it's that beautiful purpley grape color. Here's the spice. And then at the very bottom, this is all we've left in floral lace is the chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Exactly.
Okay, so then we also have lots of your old world.
Yes,
so
we do.
this one is a firework fetty, is that right?
That's right. So it's our Americana red, white, and blue theme.
Pretty.
And that's old world, where that old world charm, all gorgeous, the roping detail across the top.
That is so gorgeous for summer.
And
oh
it's like a
my
flower
gosh.
shaped design, so
yes.
it's perfect for, and I love popping single pieces in at this time of the year. Here's the ocean fetty, which is the teal, the kiwi, the eggplant. And then at the very bottom, I don't know how we have any left.
Those are egg hunt, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful spring pastel pattern.
Can I just, okay, we have to show that one.
Sure
Sorry,
thing.
I know we got to run through the colors, but you guys, have you
How's
seen this?
Isn't that beautiful?
And I can't believe there's any left.
I know.
That is so super collectible. Not only is it a egg hunt, but it's in a specialty shape.
I love that. It's a figural shape, 360 degrees.
Super cute. Look, there's eggs around the side too.
So
all right,
cute.
sorry. Well, now that we're there, let's show the confetti.
Yeah, the confetti.
Which is gorgeous. That's what I collect.
And you love that.
And then the other column.
Yeah, next to that, I know you love some cranberry too.
Yes.
Cranberries
so cranberry.
at the top.
Here's your blue, green, and then we have your eggplant purple here.
Perfect.
And then your black. We also have the spice, and then here is your brown. And 2 dozen left only in that brown.
Is that right?
Now, firework is going super quick in the floral lace as well.
Got it. So let's put it to the test.
Okay.
We're all going out to the patio. We're all going out to the barbecue. Maybe we're not turning our ovens on anymore, but we still need key serving pieces. So here's what we all love about stoneware. It keeps hot, hot, but cold, cold. So if I want to now take this and literally put some ice in the bottom. Now, I'm using fake ice because it will melt in here, as you know. Literally, I would fill that up to the top.
Okay.
But watch what I can do. I can now put that lidded right on top, and I can build a crudité.
That's awesome.
And what's amazing about this is, look, I'm not a chef, but I love to entertain. And I want everything to look pretty.
Yeah.
And do you see how instead of serving this on like a dinner plate or a plastic platter, then I pop in my other pieces of Temp-tations that maybe I've been collecting over the years, and voila. No need to buy it already pre-cut at the store.
Nice, honey. And looks so much nicer too.
And ice on the bottom to keep it nice.
You could even do like a shrimp tray or something because you've got the ice underneath, so it's going to keep all that stuff cold.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, so what's coming out of the oven?
Yeah, so oven safe to 500 degrees. So it's mini hot dog day.
Oh, I like mini hot dog day.
Who doesn't?
Every day could be mini hot dog day, in my opinion.
Here's what I love about it: double duty. So I'm baking on the bottom, I'm baking on the top at the same time.
Let me get the door for you.
Thank you so much. So we call that a deep dish lidded, but do you see the capacity that I have here? How many mini hot dogs I can fit? And then on the bottom,
boy, dippy cheese.
some dippy cheese for your hot dogs, right?
Yum!
So instead of having, again, that white boring ware, the plastic, the metal, I have just upped my game.
I love that idea.
Yeah.
Okay, now what in the heck? That looks delicious.
So what we did is a great Mother's Day brunch here. So again, we're calling it a specialty piece, but it's a great everyday piece. But if you love to do quiches, deep dish pizza, deep dish pies, I want to show you how amazing this is because look at the depth on this.
Yeah,
I'm actually going to pull it up here so you can see. And because it's naturally nonstick, you know how hard it is not to burn this crust? Right? You're putting foil around it. You don't have to do that.
That's 2 1/4 inches of depth. So that gives you a beautiful deep dish slice of pie or quiche, which is great.
I love that. Then Jimmy the baker. Right
one
here.
just sold out. Oh, that's Jimmy's?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Which one, John, just sold out? Okay, firework is gone.
Okay.
So we'll have to demo on another one.
Sure thing.
There you go, Mommy.
You got
put
it.
Under the countertop.
You got it.
Okay, so let's go through the choices that remain.
Sure thing.
So in the floral lace, we still have this beautiful
The summer.
which has, I don't know if you could see it earlier, but it has seashells and it has starfish and little ocean waves.
So pretty.
And then, of course, all done in the reverse on the outside. And then also,
We have the light blue.
okay,
Here's the eggplant and floral lace. Here's the spice. And at the very bottom, if you're thinking a gift, I love the neutral of the brown.
and
right?
that's all we have left in floral lace.
That's it. Just this now.
Yeah, that's it. And you said, when are these back? Ever?
I honestly don't know.
Maybe
How
never.
do you like that answer?
Okay.
Kind of
All right.
scary, right?
Okay.
Then these are only available at this time of the year. The Old World Firework Fetty, the Ocean Fetty. Here's the Egg Hunt. Here's confetti.
Okay.
Then we have the cranberry. We have the blue, the green, and the eggplant at the bottom.
Okay.
Black,
Black,
spice,
spice.
and the brown.
And brown is last call if you want the brown one. That's, I think, the one David collects.
Yes, he does.
So these are just $22. And if you would like easy pay, you can always get 5 easy pays with your Q card, which makes this super inexpensive and another great gift idea as well. So thanks for stopping by my show
Nice
today.
to see you.
Mwah. I'll see you soon,
Wonderful.
I hope. Tell Tara we said hello.
I will do that.
And I'm going to head this way.
I'm going to have
All
that
right.
one.
Okie doke.